Hi everyone, and welcome to our fourth video on language technology here at the Northwest University. I am Gent, a project manager here at CTexT. In our previous videos, you would have seen us discuss language technology and how it is applied in our daily lives. I am sure that you have used apps on your cell phone or have written a document on Word or Google, and you have seen that options on choosing your South African languages are limited. For instance, Siri needs help in understanding your dialect or language. Predictive text is not working as you would like it to, or the Google Doc that you have written cannot be spell checked in your preferred South African language. In this video, we will discuss on how companies and research organizations are working towards getting our official South African languages to be included and represented on those platforms and applications. CTexT, the center I work at here at NWU, has developed and is continually improving products that assist with translation and spelling checking in various South African languages. Some of those programs are free to download, like our spelling checkers and hyphenators for South African languages, our translation tools with Automaton, and other applications. We also build and gather language data. That means we collect any documents and text where the languages are used so we can train machines in how our languages work. Some of the companies and research organizations that do or fund researches into the development of various programs and gathering of language resources are SADILA, the CSIR, MAST Deep Learning, as well as other universities. The CSIR, for example, developed a medical app called Aweza Med, where people can write or speak in their own language and it won't be a problem to understand them to the medical staff. This makes communication at the hospital a lot easier. There are also South African companies like Prelexus, Elucidate, or Lelapa that implement language technology via natural language processing, machine learning, and AI in an everyday business setting. Then we also have our banks, cell phone companies, and others that use natural language processing to detect fraudulent language, using chatbots to gather information and answer in the provided language. They collect data and use it to analyze investments and people's opinions and create a better working environment because the language barrier gets crossed. The most significant need we face is the collection and processing of data. South African language are what we call resource scarce, which means there are not many text, documents, or articles available for us to process. To develop tools and resources to improve and advance South African languages, we need people with a keen interest in doing this. So, not only do you have an interest in languages, but you have excellent math marks and are also into programming computers. As you have heard in our previous video about language technology degree, you don't have to be a complete programmer or a mathematician to do amazing things. There is a great need for people with the necessary skills to fill positions that apply language technology. We are sitting with the issue that there are more jobs than there are people for those positions. When you join the course, you will be able to make a difference in how we can communicate better with one another and with computers. It will be great if someone wrote a message on Twitter or TikTok in isiZulu, for instance, that the platform could translate the phrase into their language of choice to have more people feel included without impacting the language spoken. An automatic caption would be a great assistance to those who cannot hear or understand the language. The language will grow because more people are able to adapt to learning the language, and with growth, more opportunities arise. You have the potential to add the human touch with a degree in language technology. You can contribute by creating programs and applications that help bridge the gap in the human-to-computer interaction, and also contribute to helping us understand one another better with the help of technology. We hope you will get in touch with us to get to know us at the NWU Potchefstroom campus and learn more about our degree and what we do here. Feel free to drop any questions or email them to ctext@nwu.ac.za, and we will gladly assist. Thanks for watching.